I seen your face. What a beautiful space. How we were back then, my girl. It's been so long, yeah, since I seen your smile. What a beautiful smile. Can see us walking down the aisle. One night I had a dream of you walking hand in hand. It's true, they say dreams they can't come true. Yeah, my heart is filled with love. Inside I've wasted too much time. We'll shine, so come walk along with me, girl. It's been so long, yeah, since I've seen your face. What a beautiful space. How we were back then, my girl. It's been so long, yeah, since I've seen your smile. What a beautiful smile. Can see us walking down the aisle. Won't you take a chance on me? We will have pure fun. You'll see, everybody knows you're the only girl for me, yeah. Don't close the door on us, cause I can't ignore this love. Let it be known that I'm trying for you, girl. It's been so long, yeah, since I seen your face. What a beautiful space. How we were back then, my girl. It's been so long, yeah, since I seen your smile. What a beautiful smile. Can see us walking down the aisle. But if you don't want me, yes, it will hurt me, but not do it to please me, cause it will destroy me, baby girl, yeah. Don't want to pressure your world, no. But if you don't want me, yes, it will hurt me, but not do it to please me, cause it will destroy me, baby girl, yeah. Don't want to pressure your world, no. It's been so long, yeah, since I seen your face. What a beautiful space. How we were back then, my girl. It's been so long, yeah, since I seen your smile. What a beautiful smile. And see us walking down the aisle.
Whatever colour you see. I'm the dark suntan look that 99.7% of Morgan Stanley Park sitting out during summer for. I'm the shaded Latina who's on the dance floor. I'm the colour of the exotic other. Olive from my dad and I said ebony from my mother. I'm chocolate, dark milk and white. I'm the bronze that flashes throughout the night. I'm the colour of rain-soaked rust. I'm the beige bloke that Redditch don't trust. I drove through, man. That line works anyway. I'm the oak-coloured chestnut that's roasted in open fires. The type of fake suntan that one's ego so desires. I'm that caramel bar melting in the heat. Sugar toffee cinder, sugar-clad and sweet. I'm tarnished copper. I'm unpolished brass. I'm the sandalwood sojourner that you just walk past. I'm the dark that's between the handsome and tall. I'm that subtle shade of a sandstone wall. I'm that single drop of cream in your Colombian coffee cup. I'm tan, I'm sable, I'm cinnamon, I'm a hint of roasted nut. I'm the colour of freshly dug Mother Earth. I'm mulatto, mixed up from birth. Cherokee mahogany, a darker shade of pale. Nubian autumn blossom, the colour of real ale. I am mocha, terracotta, mustard seed and teak. I'm the tone of raw sienna, totally unique. I've got a golden glint running through my chain. Are you melanin overload running through my brain? I'm that toasted shade of hot almond flakes. I'm the cocoa powder your granny shakes over cakes. So every colourful morning Redditch, please, let's get it right. If colour's what we see, then truly who is brown, black or white? Cause I am an Anglo-Indo-Caribbean. And so me answer them will say, oh, where that boy come from? Let me tell you a little story. Call it history lesson. And me then come for telling about indentured Indian now on the all year of slavery and its so-called abolition. Well, who then plant your sugar? Had the one Indian. My great-great-grandma Salanto Biko was her name. Trick from her homeland, never to see again. Passage from India, exchange at Liverpool docks. Paraded like a catwalk queen. Then lock back up her stock. As she did breed with coolest stock. My grandpa met money pan butcher's block to send my puppet to go to school. Prove he was no yardy fool. Come to England, 1964. Not long before they closed the door, flew over on an apprenticeship. Pack up in gloves and he pack up in grip. You know how the story man goes, one-way trip. Put up your foot man, you deserve it. But wait, second generation now is revealing blackness all of a sudden is culturally appealing. But as my children get lighter and lighter, the future looks whiter and whiter. Me ball, a few drops of colour in a white paint pot. Store it for a decade, you will see it not. The policy of labour migration followed by a process of assimilation. Ask yourselves, will it really lead to a one world nation? Will it even lead to a multicoloured nation, or simply the birth of a less dark English creation? Poetry, poetry, poetry.
Freedom and justice. Certain time ain't anything about your rights, it's about how you fight to get them. Hey. Feel it. Chariot riders pull up to the gate. Times measured emotion, I never ever late. Thoughts beat to physical. Son of man cause thunder, celestial horns. Call a 900 number. Arise young one, awaken from your slumber. Remove the veils from the living eye. Sheer tears of joy as the clouds start to cry. As if the sky seen the face of the Most High. One of the same, you and I unify. Lower self slain, mind controls brain. Enough space to reprogram within the mainframe. Upright obelisks sip from golden goblets. Plan ways to escape tenements and projects. Witness the fitness, witness this. We try to kill this. Every time they try to hit us with that sickness. It's freedom and justice, we killing this. Witness this sickness, we killing it. Standing up for freedom and justice, I'm feeling it. You gotta recognize right now we're killing it. That's how they're getting in your brain, starts drilling it. I stay sitting it, I stay killing it, I stay drilling it. I'm building up my adrenaline, telling them there ain't nothing feminine. Know what I try to do to you. Male and female, we all know the coup. Which part when we pass it through? I still stick to you, still done it like glue. I stand up and rise like Paul Vogel, know it's true. On a 1-2 over a maroon, trying to take a snipe out for you. On like 90 gates a soldier. Who told you? Whichever part will be taking more, we taking off the shoulder. Harder than the boulders. Which part the noder? You can't take them out, a civilized soldier. I'm so wise. for freedom and justice. Rebellion's witness 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 of killing this sickness. We're killing this sickness. We're killing this sickness. Rebellion's witness for freedom and justice. Rebellion's witness. I'm killing this sickness. Rebellion's witness for freedom and justice. Now watch how we kick this. Thank you.
Because I refuse to reduce myself to showing flesh in a see-through attempt to get ahead. Does that mean I'm anything less than them? I think not. Some see nothing wrong leaving home in a thong. Itsy bitsy teeny weeny negligee on. Modesty print out like a thumb mocking me, cause I choose to leave views to the imagination. When the innocent eyes of children look on, do they stop and ponder the implications? Or the message they're sending to the younger ones? I think not. I think not. I think not. It's easy to stand there and feign ignorance. I'm not a role model, I'm only human. I didn't ask to be here, do this. Oh, woe is me, my life is so hush. That's what Garvey would say.
And the wicked carry us away. Captivity required from us a song. How can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
They're killing each other, no love for the sisters, no love for the brothers, the mothers, the misters. Statistics get boxed up and trapped in the system. Souls on the foot, back and blisters on fingers. Do they think the same as me? I think not. Ancestors gave their lives for us to sit at the back and the front and the side. Yet they're killing each other over postcodes, attire and where they reside. Do they think the same as me? I think not.
By the river of Babylon, where we sat down, and where we remember
each other, no love for the sisters, no love for the brothers, the mothers, the misters. Statistics get boxed up and trapped in the system. Souls on the foot, back and blisters on fingers. Do they think the same as me? I think not.
carry us away.